Welcome to the Dan Abram Healthy Living Center. We have the best team of health and wellness professionals to help you achieve your goals. We are honored and excited to be part of your healthy living journey.
Thanks, Beth. Hi, I'm Tom. Follow me inside and I'll show you what the facility has to offer.
Hi, the front desk staff is here to serve you. Remember to swipe in each time to get your incentive count and to remind you that this is a member-only facility. Sign up here for membership and for programs. We can't wait to see you.
All right, now let's head down to the locker rooms. So, if you follow this hallway straight back, you're going to find the women's locker room straight down and the men's here to the left. So we're going to stop at the convenience lockers to show you how the lockers work. So you'll find a locker that's open. You'll throw your stuff in there. The lockers in the locker rooms are going to be much larger. What we're going to do is you're going to press the C button here, type in a 4-digit code that you'll remember, and then hit lock. It's locked. You'll go work out, come back, simply press the C button again, your 4-digit code, the lock button, and it unlocks. That's how simple it is. To continue the tour, once you are in the locker room, walk through to find the whirlpool and steam room, which lead to our pools.
A cleansing shower is required prior to spa and pool use.
Hello, my name is Amy. I'm an instructor here at the Healthy Living Center. Welcome to the pool. We have 2 pools available for our members to use. We have the lap swimming pool, which is available for swimming laps with the temperature right around 80 degrees. And then we have the warm water pool, or the water fitness pool, and that pool is around 86 degrees. In the warm pool, we offer just water drop-in classes. In addition to drop-in classes, we offer swimming lessons, and the pool is also just open for general water fitness for individuals to use at their own time. Be sure to check out the pool etiquette signs when you're utilizing the pool, and we look forward to seeing you in the water. Thanks.
Once you're finished in the locker rooms, let's head upstairs to the fitness floor.
Welcome to the fitness floor. As we walk to the left, here's our cycle studio where we offer a variety of classes tailored to all fitness levels. We have our training zone, which we offer free group trainings led by a health and wellness coach. We also have a variety of resistance machines and cardio equipment such as treadmills, ellipticals, stationary bikes, rowing machines, and Stairmasters. Off to the right is our free weight area. We have a variety of equipment including kettlebells, 9 racks for things like squats, bench press, pull-ups, and dumbbells ranging from 5 pounds up to 125 pounds. We also have an Olympic platform available for Olympic-specific lifts. Our group fitness instructor, Kelly, will now inform you about the studios on the fitness floor.
So on the fitness floor, we have our cycle and multi-purpose studios that hold our drop-in group fitness classes. These always deliver a great workout filled with fun energy led by one of our instructors. When the studio space is not in use by class or program, please feel free to take advantage of the room and equipment to do your own workout.
Hi, I'm one of the health and wellness coaches here, and I'm standing in front of one of our training zones. One of 3. We have 1 more on the fitness floor and then also 1 located on the track level.
Now let's head up to the track level and get a bird's eye view of the center. Yes! We made it to the track level.
As you catch a bird's eye view of the fitness floor, you can see we have a clean, fun, and friendly atmosphere. As we walk to the left, we approach the track. Note the track direction on the blue sign. 10 laps around equals 1 mile. Walkers on the inside, runners on the outside. Our track level also provides additional cardio equipment, resistance machines, and another training zone.
We're back down to the lobby level. I want to point out our training studio here. This is where we offer some of our drop-in classes. So now I'm going to take you over to the evaluation suite and hand you over to Desiree.
Hi, I'm a health and wellness coach here, and this is the evaluation suite. Come and take a look at your fitness profile by scheduling a wellness evaluation or an exercise prescription.
Thanks, Desiree. Now let's head over to our relaxation suite. In the relaxation suite, we have free hydro massages and massage therapy options for an additional fee. Now I'm going to hand you over to Lori, and she's going to give you an overview of the Mind Body Studio and our Pilates Studio.
Hi, I'm one of the fitness instructors here at the Dan Abraham, and we're walking down the Mind Body Studio hallway. I'm talking quiet in my whisper voice because we ask you to be quiet as you come down this hallway. In this studio right here, you'll have yoga, Pilates, and the Alexander technique. You can drop in to any of these classes at any time on our schedule as listed. Now we're going to head down a little further and take a peek into the Pilates Reformer Studio. And now we've arrived at the Pilates Reformer Studio. In this studio we have the program Pilates Reformer. Students are recommended to take the Pilates Foundation program first, and then they take the Pilates Group Reformer after that.
Thanks, Lori. Now let's head downstairs to the subway level, and I'll show you what the rest of this awesome tour has to offer. And we have made it down to the subway level. Welcome to the Center Cafe. This is also open to the public. If you're looking for a pre-workout boost, replenish post-workout, a pick-me-up snack, or if you just want to let your hair down and stay a while for lunch, the Center Cafe has got you covered with fresh meals made daily, snacks, and refreshment options as well. So as we go around the corner here, we also have childcare options available down here. And now I'm going to shuttle you off to Jason. He's going to talk to you about wellness coaching.
Don't know where to start when it comes to setting goals for healthy living? Think about visiting with one of our health and wellness coaches to explore wellness coaching. And coaching will help you define goals and explore support and resources to help you attain those goals. Plus, your wellness consultation is free.
Thanks, Jason. As we make our way down the hall, we have our Mayo Credit Union here. And now let's head down to the demo kitchen, where we're going to hear from Kate, our dietitian, and she's going to talk about the culinary classes we have available.
Welcome to the demo kitchen. Here at the Dan Abraham Healthy Living Center, you can participate with me, a dietitian, and our chefs in this space. We do cooking demos and hands-on cooking classes. Come join us.
We adhere to 4 core principles, which include compassion, respect, safety, and privacy. Compassion for each other. All members are asked to consider the unique needs of their fellow members and staff and be courteous at all times. Modest athletic attire is recommended to promote a welcoming environment for all. See clothing requirements for specific considerations. Respect for our facility. We ask all members to take great care in how we treat the facilities and equipment, including wiping down all equipment with provided wipes and returning equipment to its original location. We ask that you place your used towels in the bins provided. Your safety is essential. If you witness any unsafe behavior or have been harmed, we ask that you report this to staff as soon as possible. For your safety, clean, dry shoes are required. Your access badge is for your use only and should not be used by anyone else. Your privacy is important. We will not give out details of your visit without your permission. We ask that use of mobile devices be limited to public areas. Please honor your fellow members' privacy by not using these devices in locker rooms. Photography and videography not permitted without prior approval. As a member, you will have access to 3 parking lots, Lot 26, Ramp 9, and Lot 30. Time limits are enforced and can be found in our member handbook. Also, check out our 24/7 facility located at St. Mary's Hospital and the General's Building.
Thanks for joining me on this tour. When you're ready to get started, stop by the front desk and our friendly staff will take care of you. We look forward to seeing you soon.